Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Mathematics. This is Rekha Chabra, your maths teacher. Students, I hope you must be doing great. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if still not done. In the last video, we discussed few questions of exercise 1.5 and I hope you must have completed the exercise yourself. Now going forward, we will discuss how to find the number of elements in sets and how to prove two given sets equal. So let's see how to find number of elements for two sets first of all. For any two given sets A and B, NA, that's how we write it, and we read it like number of elements of set A. This is way of writing small letter N outside, which represents number, and capital letter A inside, which represents set. Same way, NB means number of elements of set B. Here is the formula. N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So by using this formula, if we have to find out anything out of these four, we can find it easily. Let's take example 23 for understanding purpose. If X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements. So it means N of X union Y is equal to 50. X has 28 elements, means Nx equal to 28. Y has 32 elements, it means Ny is equal to 32. And they are asking how many elements does X intersection Y have. So again, by using the formula, N of X union Y is equal to Nx plus Ny minus Nx intersection Y. And let's put the values. Number of elements in this union of these two sets is 50. Number of elements in X 28. Number of elements in Y 32. And this is what we have to find out. So after calculating, answer is 10. Number of elements in X intersection Y is equal to 10. Now how to find number of elements for three sets. Same way for three sets A, B and C, that's how we represent it. The formula is number of elements of A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. Here I have given Venn diagrams also for the better understanding. Students, you can pause the video and you can have a look at this diagram and it will help you to understand this formula in detail. Now let's take example 34. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all 3 sports, then how many received medals in exactly 2 of 3 sports? Now let F, B and C denote the set of people who received medals in football, F for football, B for basketball and C for cricket for our convenience. Now number of medals won in football, it is given 38. So NF is equal to 38, NB is 15 and NC is 20. And in total medals have given to 58 men. So it means their union is equal to 58. Now they are saying only 3 people got the medals in all 3. It means number of elements of F intersection B intersection C common in all 3 is equal to 3. Now as per the formula, let's put the values whatever we have. So F union B union C is equal to NF plus MB plus NC minus F intersection B minus F intersection C minus B intersection C plus intersection of all 3 sets. So 58 is equal to 38 plus 15 plus 20. These 3 will come as it is plus 3 because this is also given. Now after solving, we will get the sum of these 3 sets F intersection B, F intersection C and B intersection C is equal to 18. Let it be first equation. We need to calculate how many received medals in exactly 2 of these 3 sports. So now let's have a look at Venn diagram. U denotes the universal set. F denotes the set of medals won in football. B, basketball. C, cricket. So we have taken the sets like this. Now let A, small a, denote the number of men who got medals in football and basketball but not cricket. Here, football and basketball but not cricket. Same way, B denote the number of men who got medals in football and cricket but not basketball. And C, small c, represent the number of men who got the medal in basketball and cricket but not football. And here D denotes the men who got medals in all three. So it is given that 3 men received the medals in all three. This red portion. Now D is 3, it is given, and number of people who got exactly 2 medals is equal to A, this region, plus B, this region, and plus C. These are the people who got medals in exactly 2 areas. Now from 1, this is equal to 18. Now F intersection B is what? A plus B. F intersection B means A plus D, and F intersection C means B plus D, and B intersection C means C plus D, because D is the common area in all the regions, in all A, B and C. So now A plus B plus C plus 3D, because D is coming 3 times, is equal to 18, and after solving we will get A plus B plus C is equal to 9. So we can say that 9 people received medals in exactly 2 sports. Now next topic is how we prove 2 sets are equal. When we have to prove set A is equal to set B, so we first prove set A is the subset of B. If you have forgot what is the subset, then please watch my earlier videos. And set B is the subset of set A. That means all the elements of set A are in set B, and all the elements of set B are in set A. Since A and B both have elements and they are equal, so to write it in the formula, A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. So we can say that A is equal to B. So I hope you must have understood these concepts. Now I would suggest you to please learn these formulae and do some examples. Thank you very much.